Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to correctly set up the ChinEtti pip collector system on your MT4 chart. Now remember, this system works on both Windows and Mac computers and the setup is the same for both. The pip collector system comes to you in a zip file format and you need to unzip the file first. For this you can use a free program like WinZip or 7-zip to unzip the file. So I'm going to use 7-zip to unzip the file. Okay, once you unzip the file you will see the indicators folder, templates folder and the user guide. Inside the indicators folder you will see the indicator sets for both demo and real MT4 accounts. These indicators are specifically licensed to your demo and real MT4 accounts, mean you can only use the demo indicators in your demo MT4 account and the real indicators in the real MT4 account. In case if you try to use the demo indicators in your real MT4 account, the indicators won't show up on the chart. A question sometimes clients ask me is that is it necessary to copy paste indicators every time when need to switch the demo and real MT4 accounts? The answer is no. Instead, you only need to create two separate templates for demo and real accounts. Let's see how to do it. Firstly, we'll install the demo indicators. So log into your demo MT4 account. So I have already logged into my IC Markets demo MT4 account. So go to File and go to the indicators folder. Now copy paste the demo indicators folder to the MT4 indicators folder. Then go back to the pip collector folder and copy paste the template to the MT4 template folder. Okay, now you can close this folder and restart the MT4. So once you restart the MT4, you can see the demo indicators folder we just copied right here. So open a fresh chart like this. So I have opened AUD JPY chart. Then go to the templates and open the ChinEtti pip collector template. So initially we'll see a blanks template like this, but don't worry, we are going to add the indicators one by one. So you can start with the candles indicator and then add the rest of the indicators to the chart. So once you add all the indicators, your chart will look like this. So now what you need to do is go to templates and save this template as a new template in the templates folder. So you can give any name you prefer. I'm just going to rename it as pip collector demo since we are using the demo indicator set. So once you give the name, you can save it. Then you will see the pip collector demo template just be saved. Now every time when you are logged into your demo MT4 account, you can easily access the system by just opening the pip collector demo template. The same steps needs to be followed for the real indicators as well, and I'm going to quickly do it. So first log into your real account. So now I have logged into my real trading account. So let's go to the pip collector folder, copy the real indicators, to the MT4 folder. Like this. You don't need to copy the template again. We just close the folder and restart the MT4. Once you open the MT4, you will see the real indicators folder that we just installed right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to again open the ChinEtti pip collector, which is the original template that we copied. So again you will see a blank template. Then I'm going to add the indicators one by one again quickly. Okay, so I have added all the indicators, and I'm going to save this template in the template folder. So previously I used pip collector demo. So for this one I'm giving pip collector real as the naming convention, and I'm going to save this template. Great. So now we have installed both demo and real indicators to the MT4 platform. So when you are using the demo account, you have to use the demo template, and when you are using the real account, you have to use the real template. So we can do a quick check. So since we are in the real account, so we previously installed the demo indicators. So if you try to open that template, nothing will show on your chart. That is because it doesn't work. But when you try to open the real one, it comes. So when you switch the accounts, make sure that you open the correct template accordingly. So that will enable you to open the correct chart. Thank you very much.